What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we are playing Microbial Sector. This is a video game about where we look at germs and stuff and find out some scary stuff. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Ooh, a bug. This game contains flashing lights, loud noises, and jump scares. That's a warning to whoever watches this video as well. If you don't like jump scares or flashing lights, don't watch it. First day on the job, not much information was given about it, but you really need the money. That's pretty much everyone these days. Even your steps make sounds. That's cool. Let me just see something here. There we are. Alright, so... Alright, get over here. Give me that. Come on. Alright, what am I doing here? Oh, that's nice. Welcome to your first day as a lifeform researcher. We're thrilled to have you join our team. Below are tasks and instructions for operating the equipment. Hurrah! Press the tab button to start the conveyor belt. Just kidding. So... what is this? What the heck is that? Pick up the object that requires research and place the object on the platform with a cross. Okay. Whoops, I dropped it. Okay. Scan the object using the weird scan button. Oh, well, isn't that just lovely? What are those green things? Use the crane button to remove or put on the glass cover. Ooh. Use the eye button to lower the microscope for a closer examination of the object. This one. Alright. I should probably look at it first. I saw mustard. I'll zoom in like right there, and then I'm pretty sure self-explanatory. This is a rotating button. We have ourselves some mustard. How much mustard, may I ask? Lots of mustard. Mustard there. Any more mustard? Some mustard there. Alright, so we got 4 mustards. Can we make it 5? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's like 1 right there. Isn't that amazing? Each life form has a code. Type the code into the keypad after scanning the object. If you don't see the life form in our system, type in 0000 on the keypad instead. Oh. Pick up the object again and place it back onto the conveyor belt. Now press the tab button again. to send the object to the next researcher. Alright, let's look for mustard on this thingy, I guess. Nope, that's not mustard. That's not mustard. Not mustard. Not mustard. I'm afraid that's not mustard. This is it. Mustard heliocyclus mustard. Mucor heliocyclus is a species of fungus characterized by its unique radiating spore pattern. The image displays with the distinct circular structure of the sporangium, that's such a weird word, which exhibits a sunburst-like appearance, which elongates striations emanating from the center. This fungal species belongs to the Mucoralis, Mosmeralis order and is commonly found growing out of stems from plants and flowers. Ooh. Its distinctive morphology makes it easily recognizable under a microscope, aiding in its identification and study in mycological research. That's 0214. Let's get that on with. 0124. That's it, right? 0124. Alright, let me Josh. Yours next, buddy boy. Ooh, what's this? Thank you. Alright. Let's probably keep that back on it in case it's poisonous. Who knows? Can I take this off and then pick it up? No. Let's see here. Ooh, what is that, my friendo? It's a star thingy. Anything else? Maybe on one of these leaves? Nothing. Oh. There's only one star thingy? Nope. 2. 3. That's cool. Anyhow, 4 on the stem up here. Alright. That's just flowers. Alright. So it's the star thingy. I think we saw those in the first start. Yes. Amoeba australis. Amoeba australis are small translucent organisms shaped like water droplets with a bioluminescent star-shaped structure inside. These fascinating protozoans glow gently and are typically found on plant surfaces in moist, humid environments, with their presence indicating a healthy, organic, rich habitat. Slay. That's 8283. All right. 8283. It's your turn, buddy boy. Ooh la la, what is this? I can already see some green things. Those might just be leaves. Let me see here. Let me scan it as well. Okay, I'm not sure those green things are showing up on the scanner. Let's see here. Oh, I can jump? Kirby! Where am I? Oh my god. Dude, where is this thing? Oh, there it is. Oh, what are those? Interesting. Let me see more. Right, so altogether I think we only have one of those outspurts on the front side, as it appears. Nope, two. So we got two of them. Are you okay, sir? Right, so just look for some green weeds. So tardigrade, la 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 la. That might be it. Let me just look at more. Alright, it's these things. Luminifera filiformis. Luminifera filiformis, more commonly known as phosphor tendrils, are slender glowing tendrils that emit a bright green light. These tendrils are typically found growing on dead trees and bark, where they anchor themselves into the decaying wood. The bioluminescence of phosphor tendrils provides a faint, eerie illumination, creating a mesmerizing display. They are studied for their potential applications in natural lighting and bioluminescence research. So, that looks like a tree. So, alright, I think we got our answers. Yoink. Kirby! What are you looking at, buddy? Come on. Scrap. Oh, I forgot to put in the code. What's code? 2917. See you later, buddy boy. Ooh, what is this? Is that a nose? Let me rotate this thing. That's a face. That is a face. You cannot look me in the eye. Sup, homie? I'm putting that back on. I'm not trying to get infected. Look at this thing. Look. Let's just see. Okay. You are not gonna sit here and tell me, right? Not gonna sit here, no, and tell me that is not a face. That is a face. That's an eye, a nose. Bring me down that thingy. Oh, look at this thing. Right. Okay. That is a face. Oh my god! Oh my god, that scared me. It's not doing anything. Alright, yeah, I'm glad I put that thing back on. Anyways, let's look at the huge growth on your head, sir. So it just looks like a huge bunch of blue tendrils. So he's just gonna stand there, kind of looking at me freakily deakily. Alright, this is it, right? Yeah. Let me just rotate it. Sorry, bro, I'm gonna send you to that guy, and then he's your problem. I mean, you're his problem. I'm not trying to deal with that on my first day. So, Ligma? Anyhow, Vitamorph mutagen. Vitamorph mutagen is a recently discovered organism known for its translucent blue growths that infect animals. And I took off. Why did I take off the glass covering? These organisms feature elongated tentacle-like structures that draw nutrients from their hosts. Infections lead to rapid, unpredictable mutations in the host. Vitamorph's mutagen effects and life cycle are still largely unknown, making a significant focus of ongoing scientific research. Well, right now I'm pissing my pants because this is just a head, right? There's no body, no lungs, no heart, probably doesn't have a brain, it's probably decayed. doesn't even have a PP, right? And its eyes are looking at me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And he's saying help. He's saying help, and he does not have a body, which means, right, that this is skin. This rocky stuff is skin. It's literally welded on his face. Look. It's literally, see, there it is. Turning from skin into some rocky shit. And then look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And then this thing is coming out like a light bulb on someone's head when they have a good idea. No, thank you, sir. That is 9487. See you later, alligator. You're his problem now. I'm not dealing with you. That is 9487. 9487. Screw you. See you later, alligator. Oh my god, that scared me. Lunch break. Take one and pass the rest along. Alright. Where do I put this? Do I just press 000? Alright. That was the most banging meal I've ever had. Someone was here before me, and they didn't clean up after themselves. Oh, thank God. For a second, I thought I was stuck. Anyway, next! Ooh, a stop sign. That's a nice chain. What is that? Why did that light flicker? Alright. I think it's safe to take this off. I'm just gonna take it off. Get a better scan. Let me look at it. Just gonna rotate it while it's in the thing. And it does not change it. Let's see here. Nothing so far on the cyan. One thing I like about the scanning is, look at this, look at this. There's no writing on the sign because the scan can't differentiate anything there. It's just taking the shape of it. Alright, so let me just drop this back on. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything. Hang on. Let me rotate it. Oh, you're on this side. I see. Are those bugs? Yes, they are. Those, I can't tell. They look like bugs. Yeah, those are bugs. You can see, like, antennae and some legs as they skitter along. And they end right here. Alright. Oh, no. Put that back on. I don't want bugs in my office. Alright, let's see here. It could be tardigrade. It could be... Ooh, this might be it. This might be it. Tyrophagus putrescentia. Commonly known as mold mites, are tiny translucent mites that thrive in high humidity environments. They're often found in areas with mold or decaying organic material. Mold mites feed off fungi and mold, making them common in damp or water-damaged spaces. While generally harmless, their presence can indicate underlying moisture issues and contribute to allergic reaction in sensitive individuals. But you see, this isn't food, that's a stop sign. You see, tardigrade, more commonly known as water bears, this is actually true, are microscopic water-dwelling organisms, renowned for their Resilient. These tiny creatures can survive extreme conditions, including high and low temperatures, radiation, and even vacuum of space. That's true. They put like 20 tardigrades in a box, sent them up to space, and like 5 of them survived, and the rest died. Tardigrades are found in the diverse environments. They're from deep oceans to moist moss on forest floors. They are studied for their potential applications in biotechnology, such as understanding extremophile. The hell is that? Biology, enhancing stress resistance in crops and developing new materials. Their presence can indicate a habitat, health, and moisture levels, making them valuable bioindicators. See, I'm not sure. Ooh, this might be it. Acarus ferruginus. Acarus ferruginus, family known as rust mites. That's it. Rust mites are tiny mites characterized by their reddish colored bodies and 8 legs. Oh, but they're not reddish. These mites are typically invisible to the naked eye, though fully grown specimens may appear as small dots. Rust mites are often found on metallic surfaces where rust is present. They feed on oxidized metal. The presence of rust mites is a sign of high humidity and ongoing metal degradation. I mean, they're kind of red, but like, not really. And to the naked eye, I can't see them. Alright, yep, they are Acarus, they're whatever. Nope, put the... Sorry for that. Alright, so this Acarus for 5290. 5290. Enter. Shake your booty, shake your booty, shake your booty. Ooh, a mushy room. Let me go look at it first and scan it as well. What are those weird thingies on? There's like white dots. I think that's just... Oh my god! It's our friends! The mustards! We have mustards again! Let's go, gang! Oh, that's wrong button. Mucorhelicosis 0214. 0124. That computer makes the weirdest sounds. Boop. What is this? No, I was wrong. Those are dust mites. Those are rust mites. Those oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Look at that. That's a dust mite. I got it wrong. Screw me. Someone really needs to fix that computer. So, rust mites. Rusty. No, it's not that. I just thought that was the thing I missed. It was probably tardigrades. No, it was probably this stuff that I saw on the thing. So 5290. Should probably scan it. Yoink, yoink. Yoink, yoink. Alright, what's an egg? That's an egg. That is an egg. I'm just gonna say that right now. I'm not gonna take the glass cover off that thing, because I ain't trying to die. Maybe just for a second. Put it back on. Put it back on. Alright, I was a little bit naughty. I'm sorry. Alright, let's see here. Alright, let's rotate this thingy. So far, nothing. I swear, if this thing jumps at me, when I look at it. Oh my god! It's in the vents. It's in the vents. I regret looking at it. I should just gave it to the next guy. Let me out. Let me out. I can't get out. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. Open the door. Why won't the door open? Dude, what is happening? I'm gone. I'm gone. See you later. Why is there tensionist music? I'm gone. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Whew. Okay, that gave me a heart attack. Oh. Oh, it was behind me the entire time. Thank you for playing, no problem, boss. Your body's changing. There's more endings? You know, that's it for today. I enjoyed that game. That was a quick playthrough. Hang on, let me check how long that game was. That game was approximately 30 minutes. It's a short game, but I think the other endings might take longer to get. That game was pretty fun. Scared the shit out of me twice, though. First with the guy in the face and the rock stuff, and then there was the squid attacking me and latching onto my face as I shit my pants. Anyhow, I think that's it for today. I really enjoyed it. I hope you tune in next time. I might play Microbial Sector next time. Leave what you want me to do in the comments. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoy and have a nice rest of your day. See ya.